Hello everyone, today I will do presentation about chapter 8. This is the role of the HR function. Next, for the first time, I will to start my presentation from introduction HR function, the overall contribution of HR, the contribution of the HR function to the achievement of competitive advantage, the role and organization of the HR function, outsourcing HR work, the power and reputation of the HR function, evaluating of the HR function, the role of HR in small and medium-sized organization or SMEs. Introduction HR function. The HR function deals with the employment, management, development, and performance of people in organization. The role of the HR function here is quite a lot, such as contributing of planning, directing, and organizing. If there are no qualified and adequate human resource, automatically the company will fail to achieve the goals it wants to achieve. The overall contribution of HR. I choose 3 points, and the first, provide insight. This is understanding of the issues affecting the organization and its employees, and the second, improve organizational effectiveness to achieve its goals by making good use of the resource available, and the third, deliver HR service. This is to effective and efficient service in such field as recruitment, talent management, learning and development, reward management, and etc. The contribution of the HR function to the achievement of competitive advantage. According to Michael Porter, sustainable competitive advantage is achieved when a firm creates value for its customer. So, state the 3 most important factors. Contribution to its achievement were innovation, quality, and trust leadership. And the role of the HR function is to ensure that the organization gets and keeps people with the source of talents. The role and organization of the HR function. According to Becker and Hewlett, believe the HR should be a resource that solves real business problems. And this, the HR function and its members have to be aware of the ethical dimensions of their work. They have to be business-oriented, but they have to be people-oriented too. Then 3 points, the role and organization of the HR function. First, HR activity. 1. Transformational or strategic activity, and this is concerned with developing organizational and corporate business strategies, and 2. Transactional activity, which cover the main area of the HR service delivery. And the second, the HR operating model. This is varies immensely depending on the context, the extent to which operations are decentrally, the type of work carried out, and the role is need to be HR function. And the third, the 3 legs tool model. 1. Center of expertise, 2. Strategic business partner, and 3. HR service center. Outsourcing HR work. This is the advantage of getting HR work done by outside suppliers. And the first, can focus on the key tasks that add value. Second, experience and facilities that the organization does not possess or obtain. And the third, an extra pair of hands is made available where required. And 4, cost saving can be achieved as long as supplier or partner is selected and managed carefully. And this is the power and reputation of the HR function. First, power of the HR function. According to Sehan et al., this is have 3 points, and the 1, power of research. This is expertise and in-house HR, not significantly outsourced. And the second, power of process, closely with top management team, HR function as facilitator. And the third, power of meaning, support from the chief executive, use business language in communicating with the line managers, use of the HR analytic. And this second, the reputation of the HR function. According to Graham and Tarbell, found the employees, line management and top management define the credibility of the HR function differently. While employees emphasize trust, line manager emphasizes expertise and effective relationship, and senior manager emphasizes achievement of results. Okay, evaluating the HR function. The prime criteria for evaluating the work of function are its ability to operate strategically and its capacity to deliver the level of service required, and contribution of HR to improve organizational is less frequently used, perhaps because of measurement of difficulties, and the evaluation should cover not only the work of the function as a whole, but also the effectiveness of the main HR policy and practice with which the function is concerned. And then the role of HR in small and medium-sized organizations or SMEs. HR adopted by SMEs varies even more widely than in large organizations. Maybe no HR function at all, or in some large or more SMEs there might be fully formed HR department. However, people management activity generally tend to be more informal, at least in the early stage of development.